Parsley is one of the crops we can plant as we head into cooler weather. This fabulous biennial herb can be started from seeds or transplants and is great for both gardeners and pollinators. Marty Wise always includes parsley in their fall garden plan since it's a larval host plant for black swallowtail and anise swallowtail butterflies. They snapped a photo of this one laying its eggs. Host plants for these winged beauties belong to the Apiaceae or carrot family. This plant family includes carrot tops, fennel, dill, and of course parsley. Prairie parsley is a native host. Thanks to Drake White of native plant nursery The Nectar Bar in San Antonio for this great shot. Cilantro is another favorite biennial herb that we can plant now from seed or from plugs. Gardeners love it for its tasty leaves, but when it flowers in spring, preparing to set seeds, you might see ladybugs. They're going for the pollen and nectar they need, and also any aphids that might be congregating. Biennial flowering is known as bolting due to the towering bloom stalk these plants shoot up, putting all of their energy into the next generation, leading to their own death. When biennials start to set seed and die, many insects move in to take advantage of the situation, ensuring that the circle of life continues. We'd love to hear from you. Click on centraltexasgardener.org to send us your questions, pictures, and videos.